Hey y'all, quick video. I just got done scrapping this and this, and I wanted to show y'all what you can get out of just them two pieces right there. This is the actual motor that sits outside, and this piece right here, I guess where it blows in at. This is what it normally is in your house. Well, anyway, I took this apart. Oh, y'all can see this, but this is all the metal you can get out of it. This is the aluminum core. This is about 35 pounds right here. Just this alone. This is actually brass, but if you want to cut inside of it, there's actually metal in there. And I just throw it in the metal. This is how much copper you get. That's about 15-18 pounds right there. Number 2 copper. Get a little brass out of there. Get all this wire. Get 2 motors. Really heavy motors. But they're a pain to take apart, I tell you that. Sometimes when I don't have the sound, I just throw it in with the metal. This is a lot of weight, right? That's maybe about 60-65 pounds. So all together you might have about 100 pounds of metal. Yeah, about 100 pounds. Maybe a pound or 2 of wires. About the same for the brass. This is where the money at. This, the copper, and this. Cut all the edges off. They'll pay you cheap if you don't. So real simple. Take that off. I got it in another video. But if you know an HVAC guy, I said I could take this to the scrap yard right now and get about maybe 40, 50, 60 dollars, depends on where the price is at. But just scrapping that and this. So my brother bringing me this all day long. He brought me this older one. This thing is real heavy. And this didn't even have the coil. It had aluminum coil. And this is like an old, way older one. And the coil was just aluminum. There wasn't no copper in it. So it just gave me aluminum prices for it. But this is where the money at right here. Thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.